Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Behave, and I am back with another video. And in today's video, you guys, we're going to be doing some lash clusters that I got from TikTok. And y'all, I've been using these lash clusters for a little while now, and by far these are like the best. So I basically finished this one because I used a majority of the ones that I use for my lashes, and I have 2 boxes left. I just opened this one. I had did my cousin's lashes and I needed a couple of them from this one. But y'all, these lashes are like so fluffy. Like, I don't know if how I can show you guys the fluffiness, but like, look at that. They're so fluffy. But the ones that I have are not necessarily hard. It's just these are fluffy and they're full, and they just look really good. These I got from AliExpress, I believe. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just that these are like fluffy, like they really look good on the eye. I really like the fullness. I have a bunch of different brands, y'all. Like, I use these a lot. They've been saving me a lot of money. So I have a bunch of different styles and stuff like that. But this one that I got from TikTok, it's like, it just gives. And these I paid a good amount of coin for. So yeah, these are just good. I like these. I prefer them. They're full, they're fluffy, they just look really good. They're soft, but they still like are really full. So we're gonna go ahead and apply them. I'm gonna show you guys like a screenshot or a clip of the lash cluster map that I've been using, because the sellers on TikTok and stuff, y'all, I be watching, and this is with my own money, you guys. They didn't give me this, and this is the name of it. I don't know how to pronounce that. Whatever, but I really like it. I'm gonna give you some more because, as you guys can see, I put it to the test. The way that I do it, I do one side and I do the other side, and one side and do the other side. That way I can kind of gauge and see and make sure like they're even and stuff like that. But it doesn't really take me that long, and I'm gonna show you guys what I be using. Okay, this is important. Okay, pay attention. First things first, I use a lash primer. Basically, it's for cleaning and prep before the eyelash extension. So basically you clean and prep, so I use this. Next, and this is important, y'all, this is my favorite glue. All the other glues that I tried, it just does not work for me. It doesn't feel right on my eye. They irritate me, but this one does not irritate me. This is the Eye Envy by Kiss Mega Hold Individual Eyelash Glue, and I absolutely love this one. I've tried quite a few, y'all, and this is the best one. It says that it's strong, it has strong adhesiveness, it's long lasting, has a mild scent, easy to use, and it has 35% more than I guess the regular ones. But I love this one, y'all. Get this one. Y'all, I also use these little Q-tips to clean my eyelashes so that they can be like, you know, clean and stay on it at hair. So I'll be using these as well. And then I also use a lash brush like towards the end or whatever. But yeah, all right, y'all, so these lashes last me 2 weeks. I don't leave my lashes on for like 3 and 4 weeks or whatever. I just feel like I just want to clean my lashes or whatever and just get a brand new set. And because they're like really affordable, I'm not about to leave these on my eyes for a month. I just do 2 weeks at the most, and then I switch them out. Then like a couple of them will be falling out or whatever the case may be, and then I want a brand new set. But it depends on you. If you can make them last you a really long time, then so be it. But for me, I leave it on for 2 weeks and that's it. But it saves me so much money, y'all, and it still gives, okay? It doesn't give like mink lashes per se, because I like a specific type of look with mink lashes, but this just gives like, you know, get up and go. If you want to go to the gym, look cute, and be on a budget, this is definitely your go-to. So we're gonna go ahead and start. All right, so the next thing that I use, you guys, is this Velux Extended Overnighter, and I'm gonna show you guys what I use this one for. I put this as like the second to last step. And then before I apply the lash glue, I use this. I use this for my final step and my first step. This is also from the brand Velux, and you guys, it's kind of like washed down and stuff like that because, y'all, I be using this a lot. So I got majority of everything from Amazon and also the local beauty supply. So whatever I can find on Amazon, I'll link it down below for you guys, because I've had this for a while. Like, this side used to be gold, and I mean, this side used to be silver, and this side used to be like gold, I think, or something like that. But as you guys can see, like, it's completely peeled off because I've been using it. But it has like this glue right here, like with the lash brush so I could put on my lashes, and then it has a sealant. So I use this before I put the actual glue. It helps it stick better. You guys will see the process. And what else? I also use this curved tweezer. I got this from my local beauty supply. I love this one because I can apply it, and the pointy part is poking the opposite way when I do apply it. It just helps. What you're also gonna need is some paper towel and then some alcohol. I use, damn girl, but I use a 70% alcohol. You can use whatever alcohol you want. I do nails, so this is just the alcohol that I have. So I'm gonna basically do that. And then I also have like this little dish, y'all, and this little dish I can put the lash glue in it. It's hollowed out right here. I put the lash glue in it, and I got this from Shein.
Alright, y'all, so first things first, I'm gonna go in with this lash primer. I'm gonna use like those little small Q-tips to rub on my lashes, and my lashes are clean. I know y'all probably like, why are your eyes so dark? You guys, I have eczema. I've had it my whole life, and it just happened to land on the back of my eyelids, so it is what it is. That's why I like to keep my lashes done, because I just feel like I don't put anything on the back of my eyes like that because it irritates it. So I just keep my lashes together. And I've been trying to save my money because y'all know mink lashes, for the good ones, it costs. And I'm just trying to save my money right now. So this little DIY vibe, I love it. So I'm gonna go in with this Extend by Velux. One side has like basically a tacky glue, and then the other side has a sealant. So the first step that I'm going to do after I go ahead and put the lash primer is apply this. And this causes my lashes to be like tacky. That way, this glue can adhere to my lash without having to dry down or like, crystallize and stuff like that. So I basically dip the lash in there, like I scoop it, then I wipe the back. After that, I go underneath my waterline, or underneath my lashes. I don't apply it on top, I apply it underneath my lash. So cross out the waterline part, y'all. Underneath my lashes. And I put it a little bit away from my waterline. That way it doesn't irritate me, and the glue doesn't, like, the fumes doesn't bother me. So I put it probably like a centimeter or two away, and then I do the same process, y'all. I just go in and I apply it. So the measurements that I used for this one was 10, 12, 14, 16, and then 14 again. But I be using like lash maps. If you look on TikTok or even on YouTube, you could type in like cluster lash maps and you can see what style you like the best. So I'm going to continue doing the same process, you guys, working my way down. And I go underneath the lash. After I apply it, I go in and I squeeze the lash a little bit just to flatten it out and make sure that while it's drying, my lash hairs are flat and it's connected. And I kind of swipe it up a little bit if I have like a lot of gel or glue on the lash. I swipe it up on my natural lashes and do the same process, you guys. I use this tacky part. I don't apply it to my whole entire eye in the beginning because if I close my eyes, it'll stick to the bottom. So I do it by section. So I do the tacky glue, then I dip the lash in the regular glue, and then I apply it. And then as I get further and further, I do the tacky glue again. I just apply it to the areas I know that I'm going to use immediately. That way, my lashes and the bottom of my eyelids do not connect or get glued together because it's really tacky. And then I make sure I pinch every time. And as you guys can see, I'm doing the same thing, getting it, putting on a tacky layer, applying the glue, swiping it up a little bit, pushing it in, and then I squeeze to flatten it and make sure that it's adhered. And if I have any of my lashes that's from the other side going into it, I pull it out immediately. And I'm doing that same motion, y'all. And also another thing, you guys, I don't like to apply lashes to like the last, I'm gonna say like six or five lashes in that corner where like your tears come out, because I feel like when you go to sleep, you have crust in your eyes and stuff like that. Um, And I feel like I want to get a good clean on my eyes with the rag, so I make sure that I don't put the lashes all the way to the end of my eye. I kind of leave a nice little gap there, but it's not really noticeable, but it's just my personal preference. I do not want it hanging on the edge of my eye. So if you guys are looking, I still have space back there, but I'm going to stop right here. And I feel like that's good enough. I don't have to continue going towards the edge of my eyes. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied, y'all. So this is like pretty full. It's pretty thick. Usually when I use the other lashes, I have to double them. With these, I don't really have to double them. I just add a couple to the ends to just make it look a little bit heavier and fuller. And now this is also an important part. This is also the extend 2 week extender. I apply this about 3 centimeters away from my waterline, and I'm just gonna go around with it, y'all. And this basically makes my lashes adhere and stay. After I do that, I let it dry down a bit and then I just push it in to my lashes just to make sure that everything is connected and that it doesn't fall apart, because adding the clusters, like, you want to add them a little bit on top of one another. So this just adds like an extra layer of glue and strength. I make sure to pinch it, you guys, and then after that we go ahead and seal with the sealant. So that's the other side, and then we're done. Like 20 minutes.
Alright y'all, so this is basically how the lashes look. I'm pretty happy with it. It'll last me about 2 weeks and I think it's perfectly fine. Next time I might do like a little bit less lashes, so I feel like it's super duper full and I kind of don't want it to be too full, but I like it nonetheless. You know, good for like the money I paid, like under $5 for them. And yeah, I like it. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you want me to do some more maintenance videos, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Bye.